If you're facing the message not delivered issue on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, just go to your home screen and open the control center. In the control center, just open the connection section, and from here just make sure that you're connected to the internet. After that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on it and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh. After that, just go to your home screen. Now just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the recent apps section. Now if the messages app is opened in the background, just swipe up and turn it off. After you remove the messages app from the background, just open it again and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on apps, and from this app list, just look for the messages app. Then tap on it. Now from here, just look for the option of iMessage. Now if it is disabled, just enable it. And if it is already enabled, just turn it off, then wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Now after you enable iMessages, now just wait for a few seconds for iMessage to completely activate. After that, just tap on send and receive. And from here, just make sure you select your Apple ID or your phone number. I highly recommend you select your phone number, but if you're using your Apple ID for iMessages, just select it. After that, just go back. Over here, you will find a feature called Resend as Text Message. Now, if this feature is disabled, just enable it. After you do that, then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After that, just go back and tap on About. And from here, just wait for 30 seconds to a minute. And if you have a carrier update available, a pop-up will be shown on the screen, which will ask you to update the carrier settings. Just tap on Update and you will update the carrier settings of your iPhone. Now if you have done that and if this also did not work, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now by resetting the network settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPhone. Now if this also did not work, then just check if the issue is with a single contact or not. If the issue is with a single contact, then just go to your home screen and open the Contacts app. Now in the Contacts app, just look for the contact with which you are having the messages not delivered problem. Now just check if the contact number which you have entered is correct or not, because this issue also appears when the contact number which you have entered is incorrect. Now just tap on Edit, and from here just edit the contact number which you have entered if it is incorrect, just like that. After that, just tap on Done to save, and also just check if the contact which you are messaging is blocked or not. Now if it is blocked, just scroll down and tap on Unblock Contact. As you can see, it is unblocked, but if I block it, the option for Unblock Contact will appear on the screen. Just tap on Unblock, and by doing that, you will unblock the selected contact. And this is how you can fix the messages not delivered problem on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.